your car, speed so fast.
What is going on, guys? So as you saw earlier in this video, I just got the JB4. Me and my brother are here. It's Gunner. Say what's up, G? So last night we installed the JB4, got it done, but we didn't get to do much testing last night. We tried it out, everything connected, everything was working well, but it was raining. So what we're gonna be doing right now in this video is giving you an authentic reaction to give you an idea of, does this JB4 make a difference? Do I feel the difference? I'm gonna be completely honest and transparent, you know, because I am still open to a tune, but I got the JB4 for now to see how it is, to see if I like it or not, but we'll keep you updated. Sweet, just opening it up right now. The JB4 app, connecting everything. Let's see. So right now we're gonna be running just map 1, and yeah. Fire the car up, but we've been driving around for a little bit, so let's go. That was running a little cold. That was just like quick. I don't think we were driving the ground for a second. Ready? Let's go. Good. How'd that feel for you?
Oh, good.
How's it roll? That feels fast. So we're just trying out. We're not gonna go a long time, maybe like 1 or 2 pulls right now on map 3, just to see how it feels. I know we're supposed to probably go higher octane, so.
I remember when we were driving in your car, speed so fast.
That felt great. That was good. Wow.
Damn, it's pretty good.
It's very good.
So we're back home now. I think the final summary of this is, yes, I do feel a major difference. Would I say it's an absolute dramatic difference compared to like a tune? No, I'm pretty sure a tune would get me more, or I know a tune would get me more. But with the power gains that me and my brother are already seeing in this video, we're very happy with it. I think one thing's for sure, as I showed you in that launch, is that we need new tires for sure, ASAP. So I think before we get any more power and before we go and put a downpipe on or run some E blends, we definitely got to get some upgraded tires, because these tires are definitely ain't it right now. Yeah, it ain't gripping for crap, as you heard in the launch. But very happy with this, and I just want to see what's to come with the next maps to test out all that, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated for sure.